Okay guys, let's eat clover. It's a mini. Clover, it's not the clover, other clover ha. Small kasi yung piece niya, you know. Nahulog! Napunta sa put-put ko. I mean, sa first yum. Parang nagmumukbang ako ah. Wait lang. Bro, if I could get water. Thank you. Dad, give me water. My dad give me water. Do not call him Joel. Ako lang pwede. Just call him Cutie. Because I like you guys when you call him Cutie. Look at that. I love Real Milk guys, so I subscribe to him. Did you know guys that I subscribe him? My mom didn't know. Yum! There's that sound again. Konti lang sipon ko. Nasa sides kasi yung sipon. So konti na lang. Yeah, hey, I'm feeling better. Why that sound keeps on appearing? Yum. Thank you guys for watching my Take Care of Emoji Cat Orange. Now I blues. Thank you guys for watching. I hope Josie the Emoji Cat Abuse will not abuse my baby. Because I hate her. I will hate her when she abuses my baby. So, ban her if you saw her beside you and you saw her watching my video, okay? Nasabi ko earlier yung Take Care of Emoji Cat Orange, no abuse. Okay? Ban her in TikTok. yummy, guys. Here's some meat to take a bite. Take some bite, guys. Wow, you take a bite! Yum, right? Bye, guys. I will eat it by myself.